Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important email, syncing all your emails on the Gmail mobile app is a must. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to sync every message from your inbox, so you're always up to date, no matter where you are. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Gmail app. This is where you'll manage all your email activity on the go. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on it to open up the side menu. Scroll down the menu until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to access your account controls. If you have more than one email account, you'll see a list here. Tap on the email account you want to sync. Make sure you select the correct account if you manage more than one. Now, inside your account settings, look for the option called Manage Labels. Tap on it. This section lets you control how your emails are organized and downloaded onto your device. Find and tap on Inbox. This is the main label where most of your emails arrive. Inside the inbox settings, tap on Sync Messages. Here you'll see different options for how many days' worth of emails you want to keep synced on your device. To make sure you have access to all your emails, select All. This will sync every message in your inbox, not just the recent ones. That's it. Your Gmail app will now download and sync all your emails from your inbox so you can read, search, and manage them anytime, even when you're offline. Keeping your emails fully synced ensures you never miss a beat, whether it's for work, school, or personal life. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to stay on top of their inbox too. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fully synced Gmail experience.